RTL SDR blog R820T radio dongle only, made in China. So did download a software. Let's get this thing opened up. It's never been opened up. Like, I gotta cut that a little bit at the end, rip and tear it across, and let's get it plugged into the computer. Gonna have to improvise an antenna, and let's see what we can listen to and what this thing is capable of. Okay, I'm looking at the RTL SDR blog, version 3 dongle user's guide, direct sampling HF mode. And if we look down to mine, let me pause this for a second. Got the RTL SDR dongle thing there working.
Then I got a Swiffer Sweeper pet kit, and it is amazing.
Using SDR Air Spy, whatever the hell it's called. So
just look at all that, and that was from just.
There you go. It's working,
and
folks.
The best part, Sweeper's
pretty damn
so
cool,
much
isn't it?
Than a broom or a vacuum.
That was some.
Okay, listen to my RTL SDR dongle. We're getting an image here of 97.1 at 27.4. So I don't know if it's a fault of the RTL dongle or the radio station across the river from me really has a sparse emission. It's my little RTL SDR dongle. This is totally shielded. I'm just using a little 2-meter 440 rubber ducky off my TYT MD380, and let me show you what we're picking up. Okay, so in the airband 126-100, we're picking up a time sequence clicking. I have no idea what the hell this is. Pretty strong signal. What I don't like about this, if I'm going to use different versions of different programs, the installation, the drivers, the setup, it's a totally, you got to go in and download something, add something, reconfigure something, and then change it back for the next program. Yes, these are all Spice servers and AirSpy and things like that, but I'm just saying, in general, this is why I don't like the RTL SDR. If you're going to use it for something like your HF radio, I forget what they call that, where they configure it with that, that'll probably work fine if you're using one app. But if you want to use different programs which have different features, it's setting it all up again and jumping through hoops. This is why I'm selling the thing off. It's not for me.